guys, Susie here. Thanks so much for tuning in today. And today I'm bringing to you guys a Dollar Tree haul. But before I begin, I just want to say a big thank you to all of my new subscribers who've been subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys for joining my little bargain hunting family. Let's jump right in and I'll show you guys what I got in the Dollar Tree this time. So starting off with some kind of boring, kind of usual stuff. I picked up one of these Rubbermaid take-alongs. This is 2 of the little squares or whatever. And these are really nice, really good quality. These are definitely more than $1 if you get them at like Walmart or somewhere like that. I believe these are dishwasher and microwave safe, which is very nice. So I do like to use these. And yeah, these are really nice. So picked up some of those. Also got a bag. Muffin, get out of that stuff. God, she smelled her dog treats in there. I got one of these Good Sense zipper seal freezer and storage bags. This is a repurchase. And then also the Glad sandwich bags. And I like to get the Glad instead of the SureFresh brand. I think it's SureFresh or Good Sense or one of those brands, because I find that these are more durable and I can sometimes even reuse them, which is really nice. And also says they're microwave safe, even though I'm not really sure who would want to microwave a little plastic bag. But I don't know, maybe somebody out there is. So that's what I got in that bag. And then I also picked up 2 of these little figurines that they had in there. And I was really excited to see these. I did see other people haul these before a while ago, and I just never did get them in my Dollar Tree, but they were finally there. So the first one just looks like this, and it just kind of looks like a little Buddha statue. Not sure if it's really Buddha or who it is, but it's really cute. These are really good quality, so these are definitely going to be going in my living room. I love little things like that. Just love it. And then this one is really cute as well. Also looks kind of like a Buddha statue. It's so cute. I love it. And these are really good quality. Even though I have to kind of dig through because some of them look like they had been damaged and stuff during shipping. But I found these and these are really cute. Can't wait to put those up. I also got a repurchase of the Assured ovulation predictors. These worked really great last time. So I got 2 more of these for my little TTC journey. I also picked up this Crafter Square 3-piece assorted glue set because I do want to try to kind of get back into some of the stationery stuff I was doing. I was making little crafty little note cards and things, so I think I want to get back into that. So I picked up this 3-piece glue set. There's clear glue, all-purpose, and fast dry, so that's really nice. Picked up that. Also picked up one of these pod foot files. It says it also has 2 finishing pads in there. So I picked up one of these. I do have like a foot file, but I just thought this one was kind of nice because it kind of goes down into that little storage compartment and then you can just throw it away, which is really nice. So picked up one of those. Picked up the Dr. Marvey Bite Stop Repair and Recover. Cannot talk today. So it's a little 3-piece set. There's a nail grow, a no more bite gel, and a nail CPR gel in there. And this is really nice. I heard these are quite expensive if you get them elsewhere, so that's definitely a deal for $1. I haven't really been biting my nails very much. I typically don't really bite my nails that much anymore, and then they're kind of growing out, in fact. But I just really thought that maybe this nail CPR and the nail grow would be really nice in helping my nails get stronger, so I did go ahead and pick that up. Also, they had these eyebrow and bikini line trimmers from Select Lash. It's a little 3-piece set. These are a good little deal. Love these things. I always use these to trim up my eyebrows and stuff when I don't feel like plucking and all that other stuff. So these are really nice for that, for any kind of little hairs and like touch-ups you want to do. Really good. I like those, so pick that up. Never seen that in there before. Picked Muffin up these sausages in a blanket. That's what she was sniffing in the bag for. So yeah, I went ahead and picked these up. And then I did find the Elmo Pay Petty Perfect electronic nail care system in my Dollar Tree. Yay, woohoo. But they were going fast, and I picked 2 of them up because I picked one up for my mom and one for me. So it's got the file, the buff, and the shine, and I'm really curious about how this works because I've never tried one of these, but I know for a fact that these are definitely more than $1. And yeah, it looks like it's going to be really nice. I'm kind of excited to use this doing my nails and stuff. I think my mom will like it as well, so that's why I went ahead and picked her up one. They were totally out of the little refill cartridges for those, so hopefully I can find some online, but they just didn't have any more of those left in my Dollar Tree. They went fast. I picked up 2 of these, and this is the Imperial Garden Lobster Egg Roll with a sauce included. Picked up 2 of those. These sounded really good, and I think I would like to eat these for my lunch one day. The ingredients look okay. I mean, you know, your average kind of ingredients for little fast food things. So they look alright. They are made in the USA, microwavable, fully cooked, so all you do is just heat and serve. So pick 2 of those up, and hopefully those will be good. I also picked up one of these because I'm not sure if I'm going to like them or not. I think I'll like them, but if they're too spicy, I may not like them. This is from the Oh Snap brand, and this is Hottie Bites, hot and spicy pickle snacking cuts. So that's what they look like. These are in the refrigerated section. They're good for quite a while, so that's good. Yeah, they're good till July, but you know, I don't know. They don't feel very crunchy in there, so I was like, I don't know, because I like my pickles kind of crunchy, but these are kind of nice and convenient. I can just kind of take them for lunch with me, so I'll give them a go. I'll try them out. And just for a quick snack, I picked up this Red Baron Singles Deep Dish Supreme Pizza. I definitely could have almost got a full size for just a couple dollars more, but I just wanted it for a snack. And then the last bag, got some more snacks in here. This is the Pringles Pizza Flavor Chips. These are really good. I used to really like these when I was a kid, and just, I don't know, kind of reminiscent there. These are also new. This was the Bugles Hot Buffalo Flavor little chips. These are really good as well, but I've never tried this flavor, and I'm curious if they're very spicy. It just says bursting with bold buffalo. So I do like buffalo wings. We'll see. This is the Nature Valley XL Protein Chewy Bars, peanut butter and dark chocolate with 15 grams of protein. You get 3 in a pack. I think that's a pretty good deal for $1. Nature's Valley stuff is not cheap. And then lastly, I got 2 of these in there. I saw my friend Lauren haul these on her channel, and I was secretly hoping they would get these in at my Dollar Tree, and they did. So I picked up 2 packages of these. This is the Now and Later Mystery Mix, and it's a pound bag, so you just can't beat that for $1. If only it was like Halloween time, this would be like a steal. But yeah, I mean, these are good for a couple years, so honestly, you could definitely stock up on these for Halloween coming up this year if you wanted to, and just store them somewhere. But I just picked up 2 of these. Probably going to end up taking them into work and, you know, using them at home and stuff. But that's definitely quite a steal. So yeah, that's everything I got this time. I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. I did find a lot of new stuff. I was really excited. It was a really good, productive trip to Dollar Tree. And if you guys have found these Amopay little petty nail care systems, let me know down below in the comments if you guys like them or not, because I'm very curious about it. And I'm definitely going to be trying it out this weekend. So, you know, I will let you guys know one way or the other. If you follow me on Instagram, I will probably do something on there, so be sure to follow me. But yeah, let me know what you think of those, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.